CERN, located near Geneva on the border between Switzerland and France, is home to the world's biggest and most powerful machine, the Large Hadron Collider. This giant underground ring is 27 kilometers long and helps scientists smash tiny particles together at incredible speeds to unlock the secrets of the universe. How does it work? It all starts with hydrogen gas. Scientists, using a device called duoplasmatron, strip away the electrons, leaving just protons, the tiny building blocks of atoms. These protons go on a wild ride through a series of accelerators, getting faster and faster. First stop, the linear accelerator, LINAC, speeds them up to 40% of the speed of light. Next, the Proton Synchrotron Booster boosts their energy to 93% of the speed of light and combines weaker beams into stronger ones. Then, the Proton Synchrotron pushes them even faster to 99.93% of the speed of light. Finally, the Super Proton Synchrotron cranks it up to a mind-blowing 99.99998% of the speed of light before they enter the LHC. Once inside the LHC, these protons race around the ring in opposite directions at 99.9999991% of the speed of light. That's almost as fast as anything can go. They travel through a super-cooled tunnel at -271.3 degrees Celsius, even colder than space, and smash into each other at the 4 detectors. Why all the smashing? These high-speed collisions recreate conditions similar to the early universe, helping scientists understand fundamental forces in particles, like the Higgs boson, often called the God particle. With up to 1 billion collisions per second, it's impossible to record everything. Special filters keep only the most interesting ones, which are sent to CERN's massive data center. The data is analyzed by scientists worldwide using the Worldwide LHC Computing Grid, a network designed just for this purpose. For long-term research, all this precious data is safely stored on magnetic tapes, ready to help answer the biggest mysteries of the universe. The data is shared with scientists and researchers worldwide through the Worldwide LHC Computing Grid, a global network of computing resources that allows for distributed data processing and analysis.